The engine control module is responsible for managing the engine's performance by controlling key functions like fuel mixture, ignition timing, and emissions. It monitors data from various sensors throughout your car to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. When the ECM malfunctions, these processes become disorganized, which leads to poor engine performance and a host of other issues. Here are some of the symptoms of a bad ECM. A bad ECM can prevent your car from starting altogether. When the ECM completely fails, it may not send the necessary signals to the ignition system, fuel injectors, or starter, leaving your engine dead. If your car won't start and you've ruled out the usual suspects like the battery or starter motor, the ECM could be the problem. In many cases, a car that won't start due to an ECM failure will also have an illuminated check engine light. When the ECM is going bad, it can cause your engine to behave erratically. This includes unexpected surges in RPM, rough idling, or even fluctuating power levels. This is usually because the ECM is misreading signals from the throttle or fuel system and trying to compensate inappropriately. These fluctuations can make driving unpredictable and dangerous. A failing ECM can also cause you to fail your emissions test. Since the ECM controls the fuel mixture and emission system, it plays a big role in keeping your car within legal emission limits. If the ECM is not functioning properly, your vehicle could produce more pollutants, leading to a failed emissions test. So, if you recently failed your emissions test without an obvious cause, the ECM might be at fault. So, what do you do if your ECM is bad? The most common solution is to replace it. Depending on your vehicle, this can be a simple or complex task. Some ECMs are plug and play, meaning you can install them yourself, while others may require professional reprogramming to match your car's specific engine and transmission settings. Always consult with a professional mechanic to ensure the replacement is done correctly.